Imagine a vast arid land where lush forests once thrived. The Sahara Desert, once a paradise, has transformed into an inhospitable wasteland. This is a tale of climate change, human impact, and a world turned upside down. Millennia ago, the Sahara was a verdant landscape, teeming with life. Rivers flowed, vegetation flourished, and diverse wildlife roamed freely. This green haven was home to early human civilizations. But over centuries, natural and human factors led to desertification. Deforestation, overgrazing, and erratic weather patterns drained the land of its vitality, turning it into the harsh desert we know today. This transformation is not just about losing greenery. It's about the loss of biodiversity, livelihoods, and cultural heritage. Communities once thriving in this oasis now face severe challenges. Today, the Sahara stands as a stark reminder of our planet's fragility. Understanding how this once lush region became a desert can help us prevent similar tragedies elsewhere. Join us as we explore the historical and environmental factors behind the Sahara's dramatic shift from a fertile landscape to one of the most formidable deserts on Earth. From prehistoric times to modern day, the Sahara has seen drastic changes. Its story is a testament to the power of nature and human activity, and a warning for our future. What was once a lush environment supporting life is now a harsh desert. This journey through time reveals the intricate balance of ecosystems and the consequences of their disruption. By uncovering the Sahara's past, we hope to inspire action towards preserving and restoring our planet's precious ecosystems before it's too late. Let's delve into this transformative story. Around 5,600 years ago, the Sahara began its transformation from verdant savanna to arid desert. Climate change and shifting weather patterns dried up rivers and lakes, leaving behind a vast expanse of sand. Archaeological evidence shows early humans adapted to the changing landscape by developing nomadic lifestyles, following water sources and herds across the emerging desert. Ancient rock paintings found in the desert depict a diverse fauna, including elephants and giraffes, indicating a much wetter climate than exists today. As the Sahara transformed, trade routes like the Trans-Saharan became vital for commerce, connecting sub-Saharan Africa with the Mediterranean world. Today, the Sahara spans 11 countries and is the largest hot desert in the world, covering nearly 3.6 million square miles of North Africa. Despite its harsh conditions, the Sahara supports various forms of life, including hardy plants and animals adapted to extreme temperatures and scarce water. In recent years, human activities such as overgrazing and deforestation have exacerbated desertification, threatening the delicate balance of the ecosystem. To combat desertification, innovative solutions like the Great Green Wall Project aim to plant millions of trees across Africa to halt the spread of the Sahara. Solar power installations in the Sahara harness its abundant sunlight, providing renewable energy and reducing reliance on fossil fuels. The desert's unique geology has led to the discovery of valuable minerals and oil deposits, driving industrialization, but also environmental concerns. Efforts to preserve the Sahara involve balancing economic development with conservation, seeking sustainable ways to coexist with this ever-changing landscape. The Sahara continues to evolve, shaped by both natural forces and human intervention, reminding us of the delicate relationship between our actions and the environment. Understanding the Sahara's past helps us address its present challenges and work towards a future where it can once again support diverse life. Through science and technology, we can restore degraded lands, combat climate change, and ensure the Sahara remains a vital part of our planet's ecosystem. The Sahara holds lessons for humanity about resilience and adaptation, teaching us how to live sustainably within the limits of our natural world. By learning from the past and embracing new technologies, we can turn the tide on desertification and create a greener, healthier Sahara for generations to come. The Sahara's story is one of transformation and resilience, showing us the power of nature and the potential for positive change through human effort. As we face global environmental challenges, the Sahara stands as a reminder of our interconnectedness with the Earth and the importance of protecting our shared home. Every action we take today affects the future of the Sahara and our planet, urging us to act responsibly and collaboratively towards a sustainable tomorrow. The journey to restore the Sahara involves not just reversing damage, but also creating a new equilibrium where people and nature thrive together. Through collective efforts and innovative strategies, we can transform the Sahara from hell on earth back into a paradise that sustains life. Restoring the Sahara requires a commitment to sustainability, innovation, and cooperation among nations and communities worldwide. With the right approach and dedication, we can achieve a greener Sahara, setting an example for global environmental restoration and conservation efforts. The future of the Sahara depends on our choices and actions today, presenting an opportunity to heal the earth and secure a brighter, more sustainable future for all. Reforestation projects aim to restore the Sahara's lost greenery, planting millions of trees to combat desertification and provide habitat for wildlife. This initiative requires international cooperation and significant investment, but offers hope for ecological recovery. Water management techniques such as fog harvesting and underground dams are crucial in arid regions. These innovations capture and store precious moisture, supporting agriculture and wildlife in otherwise inhospitable conditions. Renewable energy projects like wind farms and solar arrays harness the Sahara's abundant sun and wind resources. These initiatives not only generate clean power, but also create jobs and stimulate local economies. Community-based conservation efforts empower local populations to manage natural resources sustainably. By involving residents directly, these programs ensure long-term environmental stewardship and socio-economic benefits. From lush savannas to arid deserts, the Sahara's transformation reflects humanity's impact. Today, it stands as both a warning and an opportunity for sustainable stewardship. Efforts to restore the Sahara's green past require global commitment. Through innovative technologies and community-led initiatives, we can reverse the damage and ensure its survival. Renewable energy projects in the Sahara demonstrate how modern solutions can help combat climate change. Wind turbines and solar panels offer sustainable alternatives to fossil fuels. Reversing desertification requires collective action. By investing in research, technology, and education, we can create a future where the Sahara thrives once again. The Sahara's journey, from paradise to desert, is a stark reminder of our responsibility to the planet. Every action we take today shapes the world for generations to come. We must learn from the Sahara's past to shape its future. With collaboration and innovation, we can transform this harsh environment into a thriving ecosystem. The Sahara's transformation challenges us to rethink our relationship with nature. Sustainable practices and responsible management are essential for preserving this vital ecosystem. Every small step counts towards restoring the Sahara. By supporting reforestation and renewable energy projects, we can heal this land and prevent further degradation. The future of the Sahara depends on our actions now. Together, we can turn the tide and ensure this magnificent desert returns to its former glory. Let us embrace the lessons of the Sahara and strive for a sustainable future. Every effort contributes to protecting our planet and securing a greener tomorrow. In the face of adversity, the Sahara teaches us resilience and hope. By working together, we can restore this land and build a brighter, more sustainable world.